on behalf of Southwest Airlines, this Vegas flight crew, welcome into San Diego. Just remain seated, keep your seatbelts fastened, and soon as boy Wonder pulls into the gate, he'll turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, you're welcome to jump up, push all those neighbors out of your way to get in overhead bins. Just be careful. Items up there do shift about and could fall out on you. Making a connection, Albuquerque, I believe is our connections here. Gate 7, but always check TV monitors, make sure it says departures. If you're continuing on to Las Vegas or Boise with us, this is your aircraft and we are your crew. We ask you to remain seated. I have Cynthia coming from the back. She needs to count you. Once she has accurate through count, she'll let you know you can get up. But until then, please remain seated. We know you have lots of choices out there. We all know they're not great choices. That's why our plane is full today. And we want to say thank you so much for thinking of us. We love you, your money, and you're welcome back at any time. Welcome into San Diego.